trying to play cards, and this guy has another idea.
Right? Another little peek? Huh? Right there.
Would you stop?
I'm petting him up here now.
I'll turn him sideways.
Get up there. What's the hair?
I don't care about that. I just don't want to be... Hi. Hi, kitty. You would think that it doesn't get any attention or anything around here. God.
Yep.
Ouch. Hit me right in the nose. See you later. Peace out.
See you.